Traders, Zellman here. I'm going to provide a trading report update on GIFA Inc. GIFX. It's November 11, 2018. It's a Sunday. It's Veterans Day weekend. Tomorrow's Veterans Day. However, the NYSE and NASDAQ is open. That means GIFA will be trading. So the reason why I'm providing a trading report on Twitter, on GIFA, my apologies, is because she does look like she has bottomed out on Friday. She trailed as low as 13. Now, if you guys were in the GIFA group on Twitter with myself, I stated that it looks like she's going to low teens, right? I wasn't surprised. She went there. You know, I was expecting 10 to 13 around this area. She went to around 13, accumulated a little bit here and there. And at the close, I actually smacked the ass because I saw a technical level that I wanted to form. I did the same thing last week on Friday, tried to hold her up, and you can see she wouldn't hold up, and I tried again today, and this is all on a technical standpoint. And this is how I base my some of my trades, you know, time frame trading, technical indicators and patterns and things of that nature. Anyway, aside from that, so we do have support at 13 moving forward. Another support level is 10. I expected to go this level, but news came out over the weekend, Veterans Day weekend. Now we can see on the company overview for Gifa Inc., we can actually see all the board members that we saw in Gifa Holdings, including Yusuf Kisa, that we haven't seen that before. We only saw, what's his name? Elkinson Yaselda or Lincolnson Yaselda. I believe it's Elkinson Yaselda. You know, if I'm incorrect how I pronounce his name, I do apologize. So now we actually see the board members being put into GIFA Inc. You know, we waited this, and you know, time is coming. You know, as soon as we see the takeover of GIFA Holding, which you already see Yusuf Short there, right? You see the board members. So it looks like it's going to happen. Now, I don't think it's going to go to 10 cents. And if it does, you guys are extremely lucky to get in. You know, moving forward, coming Monday, tomorrow, even though it's Veterans Day, the market's open, we can see GIFA Holdings surge. Now, I just want you guys to take a look at these trend lines that I put. This could be trading range. Obviously, we want her to break it through 30, and I honestly believe it's very possible, and we can see 40, 50s, cents that is, not dollars, like a few of you expect. And you know what? It's possible. We have to look at the financials. Let's see if she is real or not. It looks like she's real, but until the financials, until we understand exactly what they have in assets. You know, we want to know their assets and, you know, their loan amount, how much they loaned out, but we really want to get their financials. Once we do that, there's no holding back for this stock, but there's little steps that they, you know, took to constantly prove that they are who they are. Time will tell. Individuals are going to start chasing this. It's going to be awesome moving forward. Now, I just want to say, a few more things before I end this trading tutorial is, you know, the trading group, you know, there's a situation that gone on in the GIF group on Twitter, maybe because the price dropped from 30 to 13, 15, whatever the case is. I don't care what it is. The drop was expected. You know, obviously I stated in the group that she's going down to the low teens, right? You know, expected 10 to 13 area. Yeah, I did chip in at 13 and a half. You know, and at the close, I saw her at 16.9, and I saw a technical pattern that I did smack the ass because I wanted a technical pattern to be formed, and let's see if she holds next week. But the news came out, which is even better. It's going with the technical pattern that's been developed. But what I'm trying to say is there is tension apparently with some of the group members, and you know, it's all bullshit, okay? We're all here to make money. They're, you know, blocking the individual, or the individual saying something about a particular individual. You know, at the end of the day is we're here to trade. If you got into a position and went sour because one provided an opinion, it's your fault for pulling the trigger. Okay, maybe you're not fond of his or her trades. You know what? Don't get in them. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. Please stop blocking people, and please stop disrespecting people if you do not, appreciate their conversations or what they're saying with other people. If there's nothing good to say in the chat room, don't say it. Also, other people, don't block other people out of the chat room by blocking them and removing out of the group. Just not fair for the rest of the individuals. Let's stop the fucking childish bullshit and let's make money. That's what it's about. Now, some of the people, if you guys are watching this tutorial, you don't understand GIFX and GIFA Inc. That used to be FRFS. What I am telling you guys to do, my opinion, go onto Twitter, do the search of $GIFX, and you'll see a lot of people posting about what's going on. There's a lot of information, and some of the people that been in this since November, like myself, and maybe 6 months ago, 9 months ago, they did a lot of extensive research, and there's more things that came about. And you have to give the heads up to a few people like at Richard McCarty, at Trade Girl Green, at there's quite a few. Just bear with me while I give you the individuals. At Cars, at Warriors 16 Win, at Cars Performing. I'm just giving shout outs to these people because they've been in this for quite a while. They've been doing research about this stock, and I just want to give them shout outs because they've been staying in here for quite a while. Clint Spencer is one of them. Hybrid is another one. I could keep going on forever and ever. But anyway, the short story is this stock looks real, okay? And please stop with the garbage. Let's make money. GIFX does look like she's headed higher based on the information that came out this weekend, Veterans Day weekend. They do actually provide updates during American holidays. I believe the last one was 4th of July, and I even think maybe even Memorial Day earlier this year. They provided an update as well. I don't think Labor Day, but I'm pretty sure it was Memorial Day and 4th of July weekend. You guys got to do your research. Take a look at that. It seems like they're being very patriotic with their updates. Remember, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. If you want to learn how to trade penny stocks, visit my site, thetradingteacher.com. And there's also other updates that I'm going to provide moving forward into next week. There's a lot of things that is looking good. I'm going to try to provide a bunch of updates, as many as I can. So stay tuned and go GIFX and all the shareholders.